Dito na yung anak ko, si Evelyn. Malika. Bisay ka. Bye.
O yung mga vlogger.
Anak, kumuha ka muna. So, as I was saying, first of all, thank you to Mark and Ian for bringing you their friends here in Cagayan. Salamat sa inyong Mark sa pagdala ng mga kaibigan niyo. Napasaya niyo ang mga Cagayano. To Tony and Paul and Alec, as I've said, we cannot thank you enough for giving us a tasyo last time. It's tasyo. So, may I request the City Mayor of Tuguegarao, Mabanggal yata. Ayan, andyan na. May I request the City Mayor of Tuguegarao to give the City Mayor from Tuguegarao.
This set of the Book of Tuguegarao. It encompasses from etymology to the maps, the past, melded into the future. 420th year na po kasi namin. So, we'd just like to give you a souvenir para pagbalik nyo dito sa Victory Batay o ano. Pagbalik nyo po dito, alam ko, just boil it in a little water and then yung ma-render na oil, i-crispy na lang po. Ghost best with spicy suka. So we have one each for the three groups, kay Senator Mark, kay Miss Tony, kay Miss Alex. So I hope you enjoy it po. And I hope that you come back to Tuguegarao City. We'll be waiting for you. Thank you so much for your love.
Manalo ka na dyan.
Others, Facebook ako binihiwalay na yung pinanggagawang oil na nasa
And of course, our governor, Governor Manuel Macaronte, salamat. You know, you are lucky endorsers. That's why. Thank you so much. Can we now present the show last night?